that I could have done some.
What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suman Kothari and I hope that you guys love the video for today, because honestly I have never done a casuals video on my channel, but I know that the ones who follow me on Instagram are like the biggest fans I can say of the tops that I wear. So this has been one of the most requested video ever. ये मैंने आज तक कोई वीडियो में नहीं बोला, मैं बता रही हूँ, मैंने आज पहली बार बोला है. So let me tell you guys, today's video is going to consist of all the casual tops and a few denims and also a few casual bags. But with that, now this video is sponsored by Cash Karo and I am so happy about that, because of course इसीलिए तो पैसे आ रहे हैं और इसीलिए तो मैं शॉपिंग कर पा रही हूँ और इसलिए मैं आपको चीज़ें बता पा रही हूँ. So let me tell you, Cash Karo is one of the biggest online cashback websites in India and it is also funded by Ratan Tata, so it's like a trusted website. You get all cashbacks from any sort of purchases that you make, let it be food, skincare, beauty, cosmetics, electronics, सब कुछ. So I'm going to be explaining you in detail कि आपको cashback कैसे मिलने वाला है, because of course किसको नहीं चाहिए होता है cashback. 50 कूपन ढूंढने से तो अच्छा है कि ये वेबसाइट्स के थ्रू हम फटाक से cashbacks ले लें. So I'm going to be telling you that later on, थोड़ा बाद में. पहले चालू करते हैं with the outfits. Okay, so the very first t-shirt is the one that I'm wearing, guys. I freaking love this one. The quality damn good, amazing. मतलब कलर तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा क्योंकि I don't have any of green color tops. If you've been on my Instagram, you know it. And size wise काफ़ी ज़्यादा perfect थी. So I'm a 34, 28, 36. If you love loose t-shirts and if you're this body type, then you can definitely go for the sizes that I have ordered, and otherwise just go for a size down. Okay, just to inform you that there can be a chance that the video is not doing justice to the t-shirt का color, because 3 दिन से I'm trying to make this video. पता नहीं रोज मौसम का इतना ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था, I couldn't really shoot in a proper lighting, but please ignore that and just focus on what I am saying. Okay, so the second t-shirt is going to be this one. ये उल्टा है, shit ये उल्टा है. The quality isn't that good, it's quite see-through, but for the color I really like it. The size is M and for the price point of view it's amazing. I've also bought a few branded tops. ये तो मेरे पास पहले से थे कुछ एरोपोस्टल और गैप के, so that आप लोगों को मिक्सचर मिले सस्ते टॉप्स और महंगे टॉप्स दोनों के. अब जब ये मैंने खरीद के लाया था, it was for 1300. I actually got it from the outlet itself, but on Ajio currently this is somewhere around 500 to 600 के बीच. So completely a damn good purchase. The color and everything is damn good. The size is L by the way in this. Aeropostale और Gap में मैंने sizes का थोड़ा काफ़ी ऊपर नीचे किया है, so I'll keep you informed of what size I have ordered. So yeah, if you are somebody who wears t-shirts very often, then go for the branded ones. Non-branded भी जो मैंने आज मंगाया वो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, मुझे पता है काफ़ी ज़्यादा टिक जाएंगे. So yeah. Okay, moving on to the next one. This, I mean this one and the one that I'm wearing is quite similar, but just I have ordered for the color. This one is in the size S, but it fits perfectly well to me. Also the color and everything is damn good. The size, the quality is also very good. ये DNMX वाला जो specific brand है ना for t-shirts, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. So if you are looking forward for t-shirts, definitely go for this brand. And yeah, overall it's really nice. Now next is this white t-shirt from Gap. Yeah, this is from Gap. Now this is from the men's section. So yes, I am also fond of getting clothes from the men's section. If you're me, then I love you. Okay, now the size for this is XS, क्योंकि of course उनका XS भी मेरे को काफ़ी बड़ा हो रहा था. But Gap की t-shirts थोड़े से लंबे हैं. So if you're a person who loves to insert, then well and good boys, वरना थोड़ा कटवा दो, whatever. Quality and everything is damn good. Of course brand है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा टिकते हैं ये t-shirts, क्योंकि मैं बहुत every alternate day I can wear the same t-shirt again and again. I love repeating my outfits. So yeah, quality, size, everything is good. If you are somebody who's my body measurement, then go for an XS in this. So before we move on, let me tell you how you can actually use Cash Karo ताकि आप लोगों को मस्त वाला cashback मिल जाए. सबसे पहली चीज़, Cash Karo is offering a flat 10% cashback on all the Ajio outfits. मतलब ये तो आपको मिलना ही है, चाहे आप कोई भी टॉप्स कुछ भी लो, तो आज के सारे टॉप्स में बेसिकली आपको 10% तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. And the second thing is, let me show you how you can actually sign up using the link in my description box. And fill in the details and register yourself. Then look for the website you wish to shop from. Today I'm going to be shopping from Ajio. Like I said, they have flat 10% cashback, and then click visit retailer. That's about it. You can now shop the regular way. Add whatever you like in your cart and pay. You'll receive a cashback in your earnings option, and you can freaking transfer everything back to your account once that amount crosses 250 rupees. Like, isn't that amazing? Dude, this is what you call real cash. So it's that simple to sign up, and with that let me tell you guys, आपके पहले sign up पे if you make a purchase, then 25 रुपीज़ का कैशबैक तो आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, लाइक दैट्स अ फिक्स अमाउंट, एंड देन प्लस यू आर गोना गेट अ 10% का कैशबैक, मतलब 25 रुपीज़ प्लस 10% कैशबैक प्लस द कोड्स दैट यू हैव, यू कैन यूज़ द कोड्स और ऑफर्स और एनीथिंग दैट यू हैव, आप वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। कुछ ज़्यादा कैशबैक नहीं हो रहा है, मैं बता रही हूँ, अगर ज़्यादा कैशबैक आ जाएगा तो थोड़ा मुझे भी ट्रांसफर कर देना, मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है पैसे लेने में। एनीवेज गाइज, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. So the next one is this top. Now guys, honestly let me tell you, this is not something that I personally like because of the black lines that you see. It's not a plain line, it's a shimmery line, and I don't really like shimmers on my tops at all until unless it's not really good for party. Anyways, and sleeves thoda acha hai, it levels up your plain top at least, and the material isn't good at all, it's very see through, and yeah, that's about it. I mean, I personally did not really like it, but if it's still something that you would want to go for it, then go ahead. Moving on to the next top. एक खराब टॉप के बाद एक बहुत अच्छा टॉप तो बनता है guys. Like this is something that you guys have seen me wearing in the story once I think, and there were hundreds of DMs saying कि हमको पता है आपने ये टॉप कहाँ से लिया है and everything. Guys, yes, this one was from Ajio and this was just for 300 or 350 rupees, I don't know. But for the color and everything, this was damn good. The size was M and it is again from DNMX. Like I said, इनके टॉप्स कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छे हैं. हाँ, थोड़ा see through है ये, so be careful. The material isn't great at all, matlab it's quite see through actually, but still I pretty much like it. I mean, for a casual it was nice, so yeah. Okay, moving on to the next top, we have this one. Guys, this is again from Gap and I don't think if this is available on Ajio or no now because ये मैंने shop से buy किया था. So yeah, मैं फिर भी कोई similar वाला यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी. So if you want, you can go ahead with that. Now the quality and everything was damn good. This was a size XL. Please be careful with the sizes if you buy anything from Gap or Aeropostale. Quality, color, size, XL, बाकी सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया, मतलब साइज को छोड़ के बाकी सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया. thumbs up from my end. Moving on to the next one. So now the next one, I'm not really sure कि आप लोगों को ज़्यादा लोगों को ये पसंद आएगा कि नहीं, but this is like a थोड़ा poncho वाला style, a very loose, big. ये बड़ा ही होता है. So let me tell you that कि ऐसा नहीं है मैंने साइज गलत लाई है, ये बड़ा ही होता है. To no doubt, I love the color and the size for this was a M. Also guys, I don't know price point of view से मुझे थोड़ा सा ये expensive लग रहा है. So if you really willing to buy this, only then go ahead. वैसे भी carry करना is not that easy. Guys, this is something that I personally like. I have talked about this on my stories like a lot. I love the color of this top. I freaking love it. Now this is again from the men's section and this is from Gap in the size XS. So yeah, be careful with the size. It's an extra small. For the quality, for the price, everything is damn good. I freaking love this top. Anyways, moving on to the next one. Again from the men's section. I don't know why did I pick that day इतना सारा men's section में, but honestly girls वाले section में ना सिर्फ एक simple सा top मिलता है, उस पे सिर्फ एक word लिखा होता है and that's about it. So that's the reason I had to pick everything from there. This is in the size S and it's from Aeropostale. I pretty much really like this one as well. Point of me buying brand t-shirts थोड़े ज़्यादा is because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कपड़े repeat करती हूँ, बहुत मतलब बहुत. तो अगर एक brand टी-शर्ट में 1000 रुपये में जो मैंने लाया जो अब 500 रुपये में मिल रहा है वो अलग बात है, उसमें मेरा काफ़ी जीव दुख रहा है, बट व्हाटएवर. अगर मैं उसको महीने में 10 बार भी पहन रही हूँ ना तो मुझे दुख तो नहीं हो रहा है और इसका क्वालिटी की वजह से ये टिकते भी है. दैट्स द रीजन आई बिलीव दैट इफ यू रिपीट योर आउटफिट्स देन गो फॉर द ब्रांडेड वंस एंड इफ यू डोंट देन यू कैन गो फॉर द कैजुअल वंस, क्योंकि यार कैजुअल्स में उसी पैसे पे एटलीस्ट 5 टॉप आता है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस. Guys, now this pink cute little top is something that I really like, and this was from Aeropostale. This was in the size L. Be careful when you buy anything from Aeropostale or Gap. Apart from that, the color, size, quality, सब कुछ काफी अच्छा था. So definitely you can go ahead with this one. I also got 2 denims by the way. Now I'm happy the color that I received was exactly the same as shown in the picture. So at least इस बात की तो मुझे काफ़ी खुशी है. The size I believe is 28. So yeah, let me tell you guys, material was good. Material में कोई issue नहीं है, but size में थोड़ा issue है. From the waist it fit perfectly fine, but from my legs थोड़ा loose हो गया. जैसा आपको दिख रहा है वो पूरा stretch वाला feel आपको पता चल रहा है सामने से. थोड़ा सा लंबा भी था ये, तो मैंने नीचे से fold कर दिया था, but क्योंकि मैं regularly भी jeans थोड़ी fold करती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा दिक्कत नहीं है उससे. But was definitely loose, so I do not really know if I should go a size down, क्योंकि if I order 26 then definitely waist से थोड़ा issue हो जाएगा मुझे. बट या मेरे लेग्स वैसे भी थोड़े ज़्यादा पतले हैं, तो आई थिंक इफ़ यू feel that your legs are like quite of the normal size it's not chicken size, so yeah, you can definitely go ahead with the same size that I have ordered, and the quality and everything is damn good. I think for the prices also it was nice, so if you're looking forward to denims, definitely go for this one. And the second denim that I ordered is this one. Now honestly color मुझे थोड़ा difference लग रहा है from the picture and in real, क्योंकि real में कुछ ज़्यादा ही dark है, मुझे नहीं पता है, but I did not really like the color in person, so if you want such a dark denim then definitely go ahead with it. Now इसमें भी same issue हुआ, ये denim मुझे भी लूज हुई फिर से, इसका लेंथ फिर भी ठीक था, like थोड़ा सा, still I think I have to cut it from bottom, but of course I will not because I will return it. From the waist it was nice, the quality is good. This was in the size 28, so if you're somewhere around 5'3", 5'4", then definitely आपको denims exactly वैसी ही होगी जैसी मुझे हो रही है, but if your height is short or if you are tall, then figure out the sizes for yourself. Yeah, because denims might can't really help you. Oh, how can I freaking forget? Guys, I have 2 bags also here. Now this bag, मैं बता रही हूँ, मतलब ये बैग ने ना मेरे
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी। मारो मुझे, मारो मारो मुझे, मारो।
लेजिट ऐसा ही हुआ है मेरे साथ, क्योंकि पिक्चर में तो ये बैग नॉर्मल स्लिंग जितना ही दिख रहा था ना. ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज प्राइस 1200-1300 रुपीज़, तो मुझे थोड़ी उम्मीद थी कि ये इतनू छोटू सा आएगा. लाइक दिस इज जस्ट माई पाम साइज. इसमें आप कुछ नहीं रख सकते हो, सिर्फ कार्ड्स रख सकते हो और कुछ भी नहीं आएगा इसमें. सो इफ़ यू वांट अ फैंसी लुकिंग छोटू सा स्लिंग बैग देन डेफिनेटली गो अहेड विद दिस. द क्वालिटी एंड द कलर इज डैम गुड. आई लव द कलर ऑफ कोर्स, बट या द साइज दिस इज ऑफ नो यूज टू मी. So yeah, thumbs down for this one. Now the second bag जो मुझे अभी तक receive नहीं हुआ है, so I'm going to be putting up a clip right here. My goodness, at least this sling bag was the same like it was shown in the picture. The size and everything was good. In fact, the quality was really nice. The only problem to me was इसके अंदर you won't be able to really store a lot of things because there's not much of a space. So just a phone and couple of more things. That's about it. Overall, I really like the bag. There's no doubt to that. And the chain and everything is also nice. So thumbs up from my end. But yes, keep in mind that you can't really store a lot of things. Now these 2 bags were from Myntra, the rest everything was from Ajio, but कोई टेंशन नहीं, Cash Karo gives you a cashback on each and every website from Myntra, Flipkart, Ajio, Mamaearth, and I don't know what all. You have to go and check yourself personally. I would actually suggest you guys to at least make one transaction ताकि आपको पता चले whether you're liking it or no, or free cashback मतलब why would you not like it, dude? So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video for today, and if you did then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please let me know which were the casual talks that you personally liked. I really want to know if your choice or my choice is kind of similar. That really helps me out in choosing things for my future videos. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching it all the way here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.